back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, before we dive into it, if you're new to this channel, we are all about searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. That way you never miss out on another job lead, because some job leads do go quickly. And of course, if you like this job lead or enjoy job leads like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button, because that does give me direct feedback. Of course, the links to all the pages I share, if you want to do your own research or put that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Jurastat. Now, they only have 8 reviews from current and past employees, so please do your own research on these companies, but they have a 4.1 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating out of those 8 reviews. They are hiring a data specialist. This is full-time remote work from home. Real quickly, just going ahead and starting out, they are only hiring in select states within the United States. Those states are Texas, Colorado, Missouri, Virginia, Maryland, and Illinois. So if you're in one of those states and you're interested in a data entry job, this might be for you. It is an entry-level position, so the salary ranges anywhere from $30,000 to $35,000 a year. They do state that sometimes they do offer overtime. But it is a basic data entry job. You'll be collecting, analyzing digital documents and related data. You'll review this data and the documents for errors. You'll enter, correct, and format any data from your source documents, working with other team members, and consistently meeting your individual performance objectives. So it is just reviewing documents, taking those source documents, entering the data, and making sure that it is entered correctly and error-free. They are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who's great reading comprehension skills, great active listening skills, someone who can monitor and assess the performance of yourself, take feedback, and make corrective action when needed. Someone who has a great writing skills and great reviewing and attention to detail skills. Now, on top of the pay, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And remember that sharing is always caring, so please share this video with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.